With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question says the malarial parasites initially multiply within the liver cells and then attack the red blood cells, resulting in their rupture. The rupture of RBCs is associated with the release of. Alright, so first let's understand the multiplication or what this infective stage does. Alright. So as we know, the infective stage of Plasmodium is known as Sporozoite, right? It is known as the Sporozoite. Now, when a female Anopheles mosquito carries the Sporozoite, alright, and bites a person, the Sporozoites are injected into the body of person, right? So, it gets injected into a person's body when bitten by female Anopheles, right? So this female Anopheles carry this sporozoite, and when it's bite the person, so sporozoite or the infection gets injected into the person's body. All right. Now this reaches the liver through the blood. Now the sporozoite reaches the liver. And how does it reach the liver? Through the blood. Okay. Now over here what happens? That parasite reproduces asexually in the liver cells. All right. Over here parasite reproduces asexually. Okay. That bursts the cells and release into blood. Alright. So when they start reproducing asexually, then bursting of cells happen. And then they float into the blood. Alright. Flow in blood. Now parasite, now it has entered the RBC. Alright. And over here it produces. Now it is in RBC. And over here it is reproducing asexually. Okay. So now when they are reproducing in the RBC asexually, now they will also burst eventually. Okay. Now RBCs also burst. And it causes the cycles of fever and other symptoms, right? When it bursts, it causes cycle of fever and other symptoms that keeps occurring after every 3 to 4 days. Now, the rupture of RBC, if we talk about this thing, that is RBCs burst, all right? So, the rupture of RBC is due to rupture of RBC is associated with the release of a toxic substance. Now that toxic substance is known as hemozoin. All right. Now this fever is occurring in the cycle of 3 to 4 days, right? And it is happening by the hemozoin. That's a toxic substance. All right. So now if we go back to the options, so our option number 1 says a toxic substance, hypnotoxin responsible for chill and high fever occurring out every 6 to 7 days. So this is wrong. All right. This is wrong. A toxic substance, hypnotoxin responsible for chill and fever occurring every 3 to 4 days. This is also wrong. A toxic substance, hemozoin, responsible for chill and fever recurring every 6 to 7 days. So no, this is also wrong. A toxic substance, hemozoin, responsible for chill and high fever recurring every 3 to 4 days. So yes, this is correct. All right. Because over here we discussed that RBCs burst or the rupture of RBC is due to the toxic substance that is known as hemozoin. And this, we studied over here that the cycle of fever over here, right? So the cycle of fever is recurring every 3 to 4 days. All right. So from the given options, we can say that option number 4 is the correct answer. I hope I have solved the question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.